Hello, dear Virgos. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo singles. Okay, and yeah, this might or might not resonate with you. Please keep this in mind before abusing me or before saying anything bad to me. Okay, and what should I say? What else? Yeah, and energy could be reversed anytime, and this is a reading till the end of June. Okay, and the second thing that I want to tell you people very quickly is that I have just started my YouTube channel, Anjali K Vlogs. It's in Hindi. In that I will let you know about my life, my journey, and some challenges and some fun. Please subscribe to that channel as well. I will give the link in the description box. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start again. Let's start. Not again. So let's see your energy regarding your love life in the past. Virgos, your past energy regarding your love life was. Your past energy regarding your love life was. Let's see. I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Shame on me now. Forgiveness, judgment. So I feel like Virgos, you give second chance to this connection. I feel like you give so many chances to this particular person in the past. You are a very forgiving person, so you always forgive them, and you never forgot. So this is the situation in the past. I feel like you give, let's say, a whole hell lot of chances to this particular person. You forgive them, you forgive whatever they did with you, and you always started this connection all over again. So I feel like there was a reconciliation energy. You guys reconcile, you guys broke up, then you reconcile, then you broke up. This is the situation, and you always forgive them. This is the situation here. You always gave them second chances. Might be you give them second chances hell lot of times. This is the situation. Let's clarify. But why you did that? Because we love them, obviously. Yeah. Death card could be dealing with the Scorpio, the Two of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. I feel like there was a breakup between you guys, okay? And you wanted to give this person another chance. You were waiting on them, and you were waiting on them. So you waited for this person for a very long time. Might be you are still waiting for this particular person to come to you, because this breakup thing between you guys made you realize that. This person is all you need in your life. This person is really a soulmate or something like that. This is the past energy. You felt like that in the past, and you waited for this person for a very long time. This is the situation. You made some kind of decision. You made a decision that I'm going to wait for this particular person to come back to me, and you are waiting for this person. You were waiting for that person. Okay, this was the past energy. Let's see what's your current energy regarding your love life. Current energy regarding your love life, Virgos, is okay. Okay, don't jump, Baba. Seven of Cups. I feel like Virgos, you are having options in your life, and you are really very confused which option is the best option for you, or you are confused between the past and the present situation, whether the past is good for you or was good for you, or the present energy, whomsoever is connected to you at present, whether this person is good for me. So you are very confused between the options that you are having right now. Might be you are confused between your personal life and your professional life, whether I should focus on my personal life or should I focus on the professional life. This is the situation here, Virgos. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups in your present energy. Let's clarify. Okay. Okay, honey. It's okay. Relax. Three of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. So I feel like you turned your back. You turned your back to somebody from the past, and you are walking away from them. There's something that was hidden from you that came out to light. Okay, the hidden truth is coming out to light, and that's forcing you to be single. So I feel like you turned your back to the past. This is obvious, and I feel like whomsoever you are connected at the present, in the present times, I feel like there's something that came out in the light, and that made you realize that I'm single, I'm happy single. Okay, I don't want to mingle with anybody right now, and that's why you're confused. Your energy, the universe is forcing you to be single as of now, to work on yourself, to work on your finances, to look good, to contain, to contain whatever you are attaining, and to accumulate wealth. Not just wealth, to accumulate health, to accumulate happiness, to be single as of now, and to focus on yourself right now. And that's why you're confused whether I should be single, whether I should give another chance to another party, or whether I should just wait for the past person. That's making me really confused, and the universe wants you to be single as of now and focus on yourself, your work, your health, your healing. Yeah. Let's see what the past person feels for you, Virgos. Let's see what the past person feels for you. Let's see what the past person feels for you, Virgos. Four of Cups. Okay, this person is depressed. This person is sad. I feel like although this person is having options in their life, they are still stuck on you. This is the situation here. This is the Four of Cups. Discontent, satisfied, dissatisfied, and bored, and depressed, and feeling some kind of loss in their life. So they are feeling the loss that what they did with you was wrong, and now they are regretting. Regretful energy. Let's clarify further their feelings for you. They're dissatisfied with their life. I feel like in the past they felt like the grass is greener on the other side, but now they are realizing that you were best. This is the situation, not better, even best. Okay, so I feel like okay. So I feel like this person is still passionate about you, still passionate about this connection, and they are manifesting the passion back. They are manifesting you. They are manifesting, happiness in their life. I feel like this person, all this person wants in their life is action. Okay, this is the situation that I'm getting. The clarity that I'm getting right now is this person wants action in their life. This person wants some kind of fun in their life. This person wants, lots of sexual energy. They are bored, they are dissatisfied, they are discontent, and they want to have lots of action in their life. They want to travel, they want to explore, and they want to have lots of sexual energy, sexual chemistry. And this person is manifesting somebody, a partner. This person is right now manifesting a partner who is equally attractive, equally sexy, flirty, and having lots of energy. I feel like this person right now is right. This person is I feel like this person right now is not in the mood of a committed energy or a committed relationship. All this person wants right now is fun, exploring new things, exploring new people, exploring new partners, and they are manifesting it. And they are not getting it. That's why they are very dissatisfied. They are very bored, and they are very regretful. Oops. Might be this person is manifesting you back because they felt like you were very energetic, you were very beautiful. I don't know why am I fumbling like this, like an idiot, because might be I'm on my periods. That's why I'm fumbling like that. Please bear with me, okay? Now it is fine. So I feel like this person is feeling like you were a very passionate person. You were a very beautiful person. That's why this person is manifesting you back. Yeah. Let's see what's your energy regarding somebody new, or if you're dating somebody new, or if somebody new is coming towards you. Your energy regarding new person in your life, or are you still stuck on the past person? Chariot. So your energy for new love is blocked right now. So I feel like you are just moving on from the past. You are trying your best. You are being very successful. You are very determined that I am going to move on from this situation, from the past. I am no longer stuck on the past. I am going to made my life beautiful, and I need success in my life. I need courage in my life. I need beautiful things in my life. So that's why I want to move on. Okay, move on. I'm with you. Okay, let's clarify the Chariot. Four of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Swords. Okay, you want stability in your life, and you're leaving everything on the universe. You are leaving everything on the luck right now, and somewhere deep down you are stressed as well. You are stressed. You are mentally conflicted. You are mentally drained, and you now want peace in your life, and that's why you are trying to move on. This is your situation. That's why you're trying to move on. Okay, because you want peace in your life. You want happiness in your life, and you want to change your luck, change your life. You want stability in your life. You want discipline, organization, this type of stuff. That's what you require in your life, and you want happiness in your life. That's why. That is the kind of celebration thing, that kind of happiness that I'm telling you. Some kind of celebration, some kind of vacation, some kind of happiness. You want to what, world tour or something. You want to have world tour or something. You want to have vacation. This is the situation. You want to just wander around like a free bird. Nice. So right now you're not ready for a new connection. You just want to be with yourself as of now, and you want to move on from the past completely. Then only you will be ready for something new. Okay, Virgos. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of June. What is coming towards you till the end of June? Let's see. Wheel of Fortune again. So the tables are turning in your favor, Virgos, and the luck will be on your side, Virgos. So I feel like there's some kind of lucky things coming in towards you till the end of June. You are going to feel really very lucky. Wheel of Fortune is the luckiest card. Okay, might be you are going to on some kind of win some kind of lottery or hit some kind of jackpot, mini jackpot or something like that. Financially, I'm telling you, and otherwise also I'm feeling like you are going to be really happy because the tables are turning in your favor now. The fate is turning in your favor now, and that's going to make you feel really happy. Let's clarify the Three of Swords, the Lovers. Okay, the Six of Cups. Now I'm getting here because now I'm getting what I'm getting is that somebody from the past is coming back to you, and I feel like that person broke your heart in the past. Now somebody from the past is coming back to you, and because they are missing you, they are very very nostalgic, and that's why I feel like you are going to feel really lucky because the tables are turning in your favor now. I feel like somebody left you for somebody else in the past. Now they are missing you. Now they are missing your love. Now they are missing your memories, and this person is now feeling like I want to go back to my Virgo. Okay, this is the situation. I feel like there was a third party situation that you were involved in or involved with, or your person was involved with, and now they are leaving the third party because the third party broke their heart completely. Now they are feeling nostalgic. Now they are feeling like they should just come back to you. Now they are feeling like I have all the fun of the world. I just want my Virgo back because they were the best for me. Loser they are, right? Yeah, I know, I understand. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. God bless.